BabyBus.
Achoo! Oh, it's so cold. Mr. Sea Otter, are you done with the repairs?
It's in very bad shape, so you'll have to wait a little longer.
Oh no! We won't be able to start our investigation!
Don't worry, Mr. Sea Otter is the best underwater mechanic that I know of.
Haha! Almost done! Help! Help me!
Mr. Sea Otter!
I'm so cold.
Mr. Sea Otter? Mr. Sea Otter!
Wow, it's so cool!
Yahoo! Look, it's a new icebreaker.
Oh.
It's awesome.
Wow, it looks great!
Huh? Emergency! Kaka, what's the emergency?
Sea Otter, a marine mammal, is an excellent underwater mechanic. But he got hurt while repairing a research ship going to the Arctic. He's in danger and needs your help.
We're on it! Super Rescue Team, let's go!
It's the rescue bus! Please help Mr. Sea Otter!
Don't worry, leave it to us.
Start analyzing. Here's the result. Mr. Sea Otter got hurt and lost some fur on his arm, so he can't keep himself warm and his temperature is dropping. It looks really serious.
Huh? I'll treat him right now. Huh?
KiKi, are you all right?
I'm fine. Mr. Sea Otter has a lot of fur.
Sea otters have the densest coat of fur among all animals. Their fur protects them and keeps them warm in seawater, so they can work in the cold sea.
Oh, I see. Huh? Super recovery machine.
Mr. Sea Otter, are you all right?
You woke up, Mr. Sea Otter!
Huh? Super Rescue Team?
Mr. Sea Otter, how are you feeling?
I feel much better. Thank you for your help. I need to finish repairing the ship.
There's more and more ice around the ship.
Huh? What's going on?
The Earth is getting warmer and the polar ice is melting much faster. Actually, we're here to investigate the situation. It's all fixed. Let's get out of here.
Let's go!
Yay! We can get on with our investigation. Thank you, Super Rescue Team.
And you, Mr. Sea Otter?
Is the ship broken again?
Huh? Oh no! We're surrounded by floating ice! It's all around us! We're stuck!
What should we do?
We need support from the headquarters. Kaka, we got a new problem. We need Rudolph's support.
Copy that. Rudolph, KiKi needs your help. Please get ready and move out now.
Got it. It's time to put my new icebreaker to use.
The iceberg is collapsing!
Huh? Be careful, everyone! Oh no!
The marine bus is ready.
Great, Rudolph! We need to help the ship get through safely. Please break the ice in front of us.
Got it. No problem.
And that's great! Awesome!
Let's follow him.
Okay!
Great! We'll be able to make it to the investigation site soon. And you'll see a beautiful ice bridge there.
Wow, I'm so excited.
Oh, what's going on?
Oh no! The icebergs are collapsing all at once! It's so big! Alright, let's do it! It's not breaking! The ice is too thick!
Oh no, we're stuck! What do we do? We're gonna die!
We have to find a way out right now.
Watch out, everyone!
There must be a weak point in the iceberg. Found it! Right here! Rudolph, hit the marked area with your icebreaker now!
Copy that! Target locked in! Let's go at full speed!
Yay! He did it!
Great job, Rudolph! Let's get out of here!
Oh, wow! Look over there! It's the ice bridge!
Wow! It's beautiful!
We must not let such a beautiful bridge disappear. Let's protect the environment.